Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join your classes for the Google Classroom on your Samsung Galaxy S22. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app right here. Find Google Classroom and click on the loop right here. When you find something like this, click on the install. After it's done, we can open the app, get started, and select the Gmail or email you want to be connected to the classroom. I have only one, so I'm selecting this one. And now to join the class, you need to press on the plus button and you will see two options: create class or join class. So I'm just gonna press join class, and from here you can type in your class code and then press join to join the classroom. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.